So you've heard about Behaviour 360, but what's actually inside? Well, let me show you, because this isn't just a set of videos. It's a complete ready-to-use support system designed to improve behaviour, build staff confidence, and help your most vulnerable pupils thrive. And it's flexible. You can roll it out across your whole team, drip feed it throughout the year, or just dip in when a challenge pops up. So let's take a look. First, the Strategy Hub. This is where we break down the why behind behaviour. You'll find practical, no-fluff modules on topics like ADHD, trauma, anxiety, autism, PDA, as well as staff development tools on classroom management, pupil motivation, de-escalation, and more. Every module is split into short videos, ideal for staff meetings, peer coaching, or CPD. Whether your staff are new or experienced, they will come away with a deeper understanding of what's driving student behaviour and how to respond with clarity and confidence. Then we've got behaviour tactics. Now, these are real-life case studies that show what happens when behaviour isn't simple, when multiple needs overlap and the answers aren't obvious. Each video walks you through what happened, what staff have tried, what went wrong, what worked, and why. And the best thing? With these videos, you're basically sitting in on a behaviour consultation, learning how to think strategically about complex SEMH. This is where your staff learn to join the dots, to go from what do I do to now I get it. Need something even faster? That's where quick-fire strategies come in. These are 5-minute videos with proven techniques for managing everyday classroom behaviour. Power struggles, whole class focus, pupils saying no, building routines, being assertive, all covered and more. These are quick wins that save lessons, reduce stress, and make classrooms run more smoothly without having to wade through theory or long explanations. Next, virtual twilights. These are full-length CPD sessions you can run whenever it suits you. You bring your staff together, hit play, and the session runs itself. There are discussion activities, handouts, practical strategies, takeaway guides, and no prep for you. Everything's ready to go. It's like having a behaviour expert leading in set without the can you do this date or that date calendar drama, which results in you having to book training 6 months in the future, by which time it's too late for the child or children involved, or having to worry about the additional costs of getting a live speaker in. Now, let's talk lunchtimes. If you've got challenges on the playground, you'll want to explore Successful Supervisors. It's a training program written specifically for lunchtime staff, built around bite-sized 10-minute videos. Each session gives supervisors one key skill to focus on, like preempting problems, using praise effectively, or helping pupils rejoin play after a fallout. It's drip-fed across the year to build consistency, confidence, and create a team that steps in before problems escalate. And yes, there are certificates too, plus there are posters to keep key concepts top of mind, success trackers, a complete CPD system, and more. But support doesn't stop with staff. We help you build stronger links with parents as well. First up is the Family First program, 12 short videos that help parents support emotional regulation at home. They're flexible, you can use them in group sessions in school and use them as the basis for a follow-up discussion, or for parents that prefer to learn in private, you can give them access to follow the program at home. They'll even get email reminders full of extra tips and strategies. Each video is short, practical, and it's backed by real-world strategies, so they're easy for families to implement. Then we've got something really special, in-school parent workshops. We give you everything you need to run 3 sets of 6-session courses, one each for ADHD, anxiety, and autism. You get facilitator guides, slides, videos, discussion prompts, take-home strategies, the lot. The sessions are written to build connection as well as knowledge. So what happens is parents come for the information, but they stay for the peer support and the connections they form with other parents. That makes these sessions sticky, meaning parents keep coming back time after time. Schools tell us these sessions transform the relationship between staff and families, and the ripple effect for the pupils, that's powerful. Now let's talk speed. You're busy, you don't want to hunt through menus, so we've built a powerful search bar right into the homepage. Just type transitions or swearing or sensory need or refusing to work, whatever it is, and it'll instantly find the most relevant videos or tools for you. All you have to do is click straight through. Need more help? Ask the Behaviour bot, our AI trained on the entire Behaviour 360 library. You can describe what's happening in class, what you're seeing, even if you're not sure what the underlying issue is, and it will reason about what the possible underlying causes are, tell you what it thinks, and based on that, link straight through to the most relevant content. It combines the power of the latest AI chatbots with detailed videos to give your teaching staff everything they need to support their students. It's like having an SEMH consultant at your fingertips whenever you need it. And if you're a school leader, there's a section just for you as well. You'll find staff meeting starters and discussion activities, strategic tools like how to write a behaviour policy with impact, practical support for improving attendance, replays of past webinars focused on whole school strategy, packed with insights that you can act on straight away. These are the tools that help you go beyond firefighting and lead with vision. And finally, there's the getting started section where we've got walkthroughs, printable checklists, reflective practice logs, trackers, and a step-by-step video guides that explain the best practice for implementing the different sections of Behaviour 360 in your school. If you're the person who will be leading on Behaviour 360, this makes onboarding simple. So that's Behaviour 360. It's powerful, flexible, and built to take pressure off your staff while helping your pupils thrive. The tools are all here. Now the only question is, how will you use them to move your school forward with SEMH and Behaviour?